Pilates company. Max Pilates Online.
Hello, how are you? Let's go ahead and start lying down on the mat. Arms along the side to your body. Push your feet together, knees together. Let's take a couple deep breaths here. So press your feet into the floor and then tilt your pelvis forward to flatten that lower back. Take a deep inhale. Lift your chest up high. Exhale. Flatten your stomach. Pull the ribs down to your spine. Deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Now from here, let's go ahead, take a deep inhale, exhale, bridge up, squeeze your glutes, hips stays nice and high here. Okay, so let's just take a couple deep breaths here. We're gonna do about 5 breaths. Keep squeezing your glutes. With each exhale, get your hips a little bit higher up into the air. Keep squeezing your knees together. One last one. Alright, now let's make sure that our knees are over our heels, arms along the side to your body. Take a deep breath here, inhale. With the exhale, we're going to walk our left leg out. Still try to keep your hips as square as possible, so don't shift to the side too much, okay? Bring your feet together, knees back together, squeeze your glutes, bridge high up, and then switch, right leg. Exhale. Together, bridge up higher. So each time we reestablish that bridge. 3. 4. 5. 6. Big glute squeeze. 7. 8. 2 more. 1 last one. Alright, slowly bring your hips down. Let's go ahead and press the sole of the feet together. Drop your knees out to the side. We're going to do some more deep breathing here, but we're going to add the crunches. So support your head with your hands, elbows open to the side. Before we're going to start, squeeze your glutes. Okay, once again, tilt your pelvis forward, nice and flat back. Inhale here. Expand your chest, roll your shoulders back and down. Exhale. Lift only your head and your shoulder blades off the ground. Still keep pushing your knees out to the side. 1. Big squeeze. Inhale. Exhale. Then hold that breath, okay? Go down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Control, no breathing down. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Inhale on the bottom here. Exhale. 2 more. Now let's stay up here for 10 seconds. Shoulders are not touching the floor. Elbows open to the side. Squeeze those abs and hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Nice and slow. Go all the way down. Alright. Now let's bring our arms along the side to the body once again. So your palms, your fingertips going to be next to your thighs. Squeeze your feet together, knees out to the side. Take another deep breath. Inhale, exhale, squeeze your glutes. Bridge up. We're going to pulse here just once. And then drop your hips down with a control. Inhale on the bottom. Exhale up. Squeeze. Pulse, hold the breath. Do not take another inhale until your glutes will touch the floor. Good. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. And let's do one more. Bridge up, squeeze, and let's pulse it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Bring your hips back down. So we're gonna move our legs slightly away from the center of the body. Still press your feet together, knees together. We're going to bring our straight arms above your head. We're going to lengthen that spine before we're going to start doing anything else. Once again, squeeze your glutes until the pelvis forward. Try to press your spine, your lower back down into the ground. So we're going to take a deep inhale here with the exhale. Start lifting your arms first. Then your head going to come off the ground. Then your shoulder blades. You're going to reach with your fingertips to your knees. Then go back down. 1. Inhale, exhale up. 2. 3. 4. 4, 5, 6, feet stays together, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's go ahead and keep our head and shoulders off the ground. I'm gonna bring my right arm above the head, bicep to the ear, back down, left. Shoulder stays up, 2, 3, 4, 5. You feel like you're dropping, lift yourself back up, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. See if you can get lower, closer to the floor. 17, 18, 19. One more. 20. Slowly roll back down. Great job. Alright, so we're gonna stay right here and we're gonna bring our right hand behind the head. Feet stays in the same position for right now, so we in sort of the butterfly but not really. Alright, so I'm gonna have my other palm on my stomach. Alright, so I'm gonna bring my left knee to right elbow. Inhale here, exhale. Come out from this butterfly, exhale, opposite knee, opposite elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the little different sensation because the knee is coming from the outside. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going for 5 more here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. 1. Awesome. Alright, so the sensation should have shifted just from the mid abs and upper abs, a little bit more to the lower abs and your obliques here. So let me know how you feel. Right now we're switching for right knee, left elbow. Inhale here, exhale, up. Go all the way back down. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 2 more here. 14, 14, big exhale. 15. Alright, release your arm from behind of your head. Let's press our forearms down into the mat. Let's open the chest up, lengthen your neck here, try to pinch shoulder blades together. So we start here into that butterfly position. The heels are not too close to your glutes, okay? So we like slightly spread out. We're gonna inhale here, exhale, squeeze your inner thigh together, and then you're gonna bring your knees into your forehead. Big exhale, hold your breath here. Drop your feet down, open, butterfly, open up your chest, inhale. Exhale, squeeze your knees together. Hold your breath until your feet gonna touch the floor. Open to the side. Inhale. Exhale. Hold the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Six. Keep going. 7. 8. 9. 10. Alright, so still fingers pointing towards your hips, shoulders stacked over your elbow, forearms pressed down, heels are not close to your glutes, and we're going to try to get the little bridge here, alright? So we're not going to be able to get very high. Make sure your knees are not coming all the way up. Still try to let your hip flexors to relax. So we're going to take an inhale here, exhale, squeeze, and just a little bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more here. Hold and pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All the way down. Put your arms down into the floor. We're going to point our fingers towards our hips if it's comfortable. Otherwise, point them out to the side or even back away from yourself. But to get a good shoulder stretch, I would prefer if you point them towards your hips. Shoulders over your wrist, over your elbows. Here we have our feet apart, legs open, hip width apart. Take a deep inhale here with the exhale. We're gonna bridge up nice and high. Okay, so we're gonna bridge up. We're gonna create the little tabletop here, and then we're gonna just shift from lift our toes up and lift our heels up while holding that bridge. Okay, so you're gonna continue your breathing, toes off the ground, toes up, heels off the ground, toes, heels, toes, glutes. Keep opening your chest and your shoulders. Feel the good stretch. Look up or look forward. Do not look down. Keep shifting, keep rocking just a little bit. Three more here. Heels and toes. All right. Drop your hips all the way down. So what we're gonna do from the very beginning, all right, we're gonna press our toes into the floor. Heels gonna be off the ground. We also gonna rotate our femur, so knees pointing out to the side. All right, so toes pointing out to the side as well. Heels slightly in. We're gonna inhale here, exhale. Start bridging up. Squeeze your glutes. Look up. Drop your hips down. Heel stays off the ground. Exhale. 2. 4. 5. 6. 7. Heel stays off the ground. 8. 9. 10. All right, all the way down. Let's go ahead and press the sole of the feet together. We're gonna rock from the side to the side in our butterfly here. All right, you can also press your elbows into your knees to get them a little bit lower. Let's take another deep breath. Shift our hips back just a little bit and try to lean forward. Sink low once again. Relax your head. Oh, I can tell that I need the foam rolling today. That's tight. All right, one more breath. And let's go ahead and switch the position. Alright, perfect. Alright, let's go ahead and switch the position. So we're going to start from the tabletop here. Shoulders over your wrist, hips over your knees. Be nice and flat. Bring the shoulder blades together. Pull the belly in, squeeze your glutes. Alright, so we're going to curl our toes under. Inhale here. Exhale, lift your knees up. Come to the downward dog. Spread your back, widen your back. Point your elbows out to the side. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale. Lower yourself down, all the way down. Knees down. Regroup, shoulder blades together, belly in, ribs in. Inhale here. Exhale. Try to drop your heels down to the ground. Inhale here again. Exhale. Drop. All the way. 1. Widen your back. Point your elbows out to the side. Drop your heels to the ground. Okay. Good. Nice and slow. 3. 4. 5. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale here again. Exhale down. Three more here. Fight for those heels to touch the ground when you're in downward dog. One more. Alright, we're gonna go down to our forearms from here. Alright, so spread your fingers nice and wide. Make sure you have a solid base, shoulders over your elbows. Don't shift back. Get forward, pinch your shoulder blades together, so drop your chest closer to the mat. We're gonna kick our left leg up with the inhale and then with the exhale. We're gonna curl it out here. 1, point your toes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, heel to your glute, keep it there, and let's go ahead, try to get the little higher kick, but we're not kicking straight up, okay? We're keeping our heel close to the glute and we're just trying to point our knee higher up into the ceiling while still doing that hamstring curl, okay? So keep going. Heel close to your glute, squeeze it. Let's get 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, now let's get our heel even closer to our glute. Squeeze it there. Feel that hamstring. Feel it, feel it, feel it. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, release. Let's do the other side. We're gonna kick our right leg up. Inhale here. Exhale. Kick. Now let's curl it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold the knee up high. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so heel close to your glute, okay, and we're just gonna try to point our knee higher into the ceiling. So not your regular glute kick. It's still more focus into your hamstring here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heel close to your glute. Focus. 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, now let's go ahead and bring your heels super close to your glute. Squeeze it, hold it there. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, great job. Drop your knee down. Let's go ahead, take a child pose for just a second. Chin to your chest, sit back. Then slowly walk your hands closer to your knees. Push yourself up. Sit nice and tall. Lengthen your spine. Press your hands into your thighs. Let's take a couple deep breath here again, and then we're gonna be all done for today. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Alright, great job. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one.